Hello. Today we are going to discuss about some questions in trigonometry. Trigonometry is one of the important chapters for all 10th class students. Within 10th class, trigonometry chapters are there are two chapters. The first is Introduction to Trigonometry and the second one is Applications of Trigonometry. But in first chapter, trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities, and complementary angles. Complementary ratios of the trigonometry. There are three parts in the first chapter. So, in this today class, just we are discussing about some questions regarding to trigonometric ratios. So, before starting this this class, just we require to know what are the ratios of trigonometry in right angle triangle. We know that sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and the cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan is opposite by adjacent, and cot is adjacent by opposite, and cosec is hypotenuse by opposite, and sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. These trigonometric ratios you know very well. By using these trigonometric ratios, we require to solve some questions. So in 10th class exams, you will get some questions regarding trigonometric ratios. So for that purpose, here I have taken some questions, some important question. Here my first question is 3 tan theta is equal to 4. We require to find the value of 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta, 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. So given is 3 tan theta is equal to 4 and tan theta is equal to 4 by 2. By seeing this trigonometric ratio, we say that tan theta is equal to, already we know that opposite by adjacent. So if we take opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3, by Pythagoras theorem you will get the hypotenuse should be the 5. So if you know the three sides of a triangle, then you can write all trigonometric values by using sin theta and cos theta and tan theta formulas, ratios. Then you can find the sin theta value, cos theta value, and you put that values in the question, then you will get easy. But here, if you observe the question, 3 tan theta is given, is asking 3 sin theta and cos theta. The value of 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta by 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. So if you observe the question properly, there is a numerator and denominator. If you divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta, then it will be 3 sin theta by cos theta minus 2 cos theta by cos theta and 3 sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by cos theta. Just I divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta, then it will be, the question will be like this: 3 into sin theta by cos theta knows tan theta minus cos theta is cancelled, minus 2. Again 3 tan theta plus 2. So it is easy to find the value of this one because already you know that tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Just you put 3 into tan theta is equal to 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 plus 2. 3 cancel. Then it will be 4 minus 2 by 4 plus 2. Then it will be 2 by 6. Then it will be 1 by 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. This is the answer of this question. So by using trigonometric ratios also you can find, but if you observe, if you consider the question, tan theta value is given. If you divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta, it is easy to find the value of the given question. It will be converted into tan theta. Then directly if you substitute the tan theta value, and it will be simplified and you will get value as 1 by 3. So this is the first question. Then just we will go for the second question. My second question is, this is also very important pattern in trigonometric ratios. It is given that if 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4, then show that tan theta is equal to 1 by root. So this is also a very interesting question. Here it is given that 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Is asking to show that tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Now The question given is 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta. 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. This 7 sin square theta, I can write 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Now 4 sin square theta plus 3 will be common in this 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 4. Now this is 4 sin square theta plus 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 is equal to 4. Now 4 sin square theta plus 4, 3 is equal to 4. Then 4 sin square theta equal to 4 minus 1. Sorry, 4 minus 3. Then 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Then sin theta is equal to under root of 1 by 4. Then sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So you know very well where the sin theta value is 1 by 2 means that is theta is equal to 30 degrees. So I got theta value here. Therefore tan theta is equal to tan 30 degrees, that is equal to 1 by 2. So this is simple question. If you observe this question, 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4 is given. So you require to prove that tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. By given information, just I find the value of theta. The theta value is 30 degrees. If you substitute the theta value in the given question, I mean tan theta, is asking what is the value of tan theta. You need to show that tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So theta is equal to, you will get as 30 degrees. Just you put the 30 degrees, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root. This is one type of pattern, but here I used trigonometric identity and the trigonometric, some special angles. But without that also you can do. Here sin theta is equal to, I got 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. If you put this sin theta value in the given right angle triangle, sin is equal to, you know that opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Hypotenuse is 2. By Pythagoras triplet, I can write that b square is equal to c square minus a square, that is 2 square minus 1, that is 3. Then you will get this value is root 3. Now tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, then it will become 1 by root 3. By trigonometric ratio also you can prove tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. From here the question pattern will be changed. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. You can take this is 1 and this is 2 because sin theta value is opposite by hypotenuse. By that you can find the adjacent. After finding the adjacent value, just use find the value of tan theta, that will be equals to 1 by root 3. But this is the easiest way to prove that tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is the second pattern question, and I will go for the third question. These are very, very important pattern questions. If you practice these type of questions, it will helpful for your annual examination in trigonometry. I am going to take 3 classes. So in each class, I am going to explain some important pattern questions in trigonometry. But in this class, just we are discussing about the trigonometric ratios based questions. And the third question, it is given that in a right angle, in a triangle, the third question is given like this. In a triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degrees is given. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And AB is equal to 5 centimeter. And AB is equal to 5 centimeter is given. And another information is BC plus AC is equal to given as 25 centimeter. This is the given, and is asking to find sin A, comma cosec C. Sin A and cosec C value is asking. So this is also one of the important pattern question. Here one side is given and others the sum of other two sides are given. So if you want to find the sin A and cosec A, you require to find all 3 sides of a right angle triangle. So how I am finding this one means the given question BC plus AC is equal to 25 centimeter. You say this is equation number 1. But according to the Pythagoras theorem, we know that AB square is equal to this is C. AB square is equal AC square minus BC square. So this is AB square is equal, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. This I can write AC plus BC and AC minus BC. So AB, we know that that is 5 square is equal to AB plus BC. According to this question is 25 into AC minus BC. So this is 25 is equal to 25 into AC minus BC. If I send 25 to this side, that is AC minus BC is equal to 25 by 25, you will get 1. This is my second equation. So 1 minus 2, if I do 1 minus 2, that is AC plus BC is equal to 25 is given, and AC minus BC is equal to, I got 1. So if you subtract these two, 2 AC is equal to 26, AC should be equals to 30. So I got this is 13 centimeter, and already we know that the sum of these two sides are 25 centimeters, therefore it will become 12 centimeter. Now what is asking, I got 3 sides of a triangle. Now what is asking, you need to concentrate on the question. The first question is sin A. Sin A means we need to observe the triangle from this side, I mean from A. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A should be equals to, opposite is 12, 12 by 13. The next one is asked to find the cosec C. You need to concentrate that C and E. So cosec C means you need to find the C value from C. So cosec is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse is 13 and the opposite is 5. So this is the cosec C value and this is the sin A value. So these two questions you require to solve. Sometimes you will ask for tan A, cot A, sec A, cosec A, like that. Some values you will ask you, but the question main important thing is how to find the 3 sides of the given triangle according to the given information. AB is given and the sum of 2 other sides is given. From that I found that the AB value, BC value and AC value by using this pattern. Afterwards you can write every trigonometric ratio according to the given question. This is my third question. This pattern question also very important for annual exams. If we go for the fourth question, this is another different pattern question. My fourth question is, it is given that if sin theta is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square, find tan theta and sec theta and we take as cos theta. Okay, cos theta or whatever it may be, cosec theta. So sometimes he will give the question, find all other trigonometric ratios also he will ask you. But in this question sin theta is given, you need to find the remaining all trigonometric ratios. Just you take the right angle triangle and this is the theta, and you take this is ABC is a right angle triangle where B is equal to 90 degrees. Sin theta is equal to, you know that, opposite by hypotenuse. So by this we can say that opposite is a square minus b square and hypotenuse is a square plus b square. You say this is x, BC is equal to x. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, x square is equal to a plus a square plus b square whole square, and this square minus this square, so minus a square minus b square whole square. So this is very important pattern question. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. This become a to the power of 4, b to the power of 4 plus 2, a square b square minus, you keep bracket, this is a minus b whole square, this is a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 minus 2a square b square. So if you open with minus, this become a to the power of 4, b to the power of 4 plus 2a square b square. This is minus a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 plus become 2a square b square. These two will be cancelled. This will be 4a square b square. the x square is equal, x is equal to under root of 4a square b square. This is 2ab. So x means BC is equal to 2AB. So I got for three sides. This is 2AB I got. Now it is easy to write all trigonometric ratios. The first question is tan theta. Tan theta, you know that opposite by adjacent, that is equal to a square minus b square by 2ab. And sec theta, this is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is a square plus b square by adjacent I got 2ab. And cos theta, you know that cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is equal to 2ab by a square plus b square. And the last one is cosec theta, that is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is a square plus b square and opposite is a square minus b square. So this question may not be asked in the exam. So but if you observe these three, it is depends on the sides of a triangle. But how to find the three sides is the main important concept in this question. While doing this calculation, you need to apply your algebraic identities. So here keeping bracket also very important. If you forget to keep the bracket, it will be some wrong answer you will get. So after cancelling all this, you will get a 4a square b square, and the root of 4a square b square, it will be 2ab. By that you can find the adjacent. After finding the adjacent, it is easy to write all trigonometric ratios. So this is also one pattern question in trigonometric ratios. And I will go for the another one important question. Another one question also we require to use trigonometric ratios only, but it is very important. This is the question is if tan theta is equal to a by b, show that. My question is a sin theta minus b cos theta by a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is one of the important questions in trigonometric ratios. This question will be solved in within 1 second and fractions, but that is component and dividend rule. But if you do like that, you won't get full marks for that question, but you want to go with the trigonometric ratios only. So tan theta is equal, it is given tan theta is equal to a by b. Just you take a right angle triangle. So here you take theta, this is a, b, c, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So just you take opposite is a and adjacent is b. Therefore AC square is equal to, you know that AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to a square plus b square. Therefore AC is equal to under root of a square plus b square. So this I got under root of a square plus b square. Now I got three sides of this triangle. Then you need to find the value of given question. The given question is a sin theta minus b cos theta by a sin theta plus b cos theta. So just you substitute a into sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, again a by under root of a square plus b square. Next minus b into cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is b by under root of a square plus b square by again a into a by a square plus b square under root and plus b into b by under root a square plus b square. This calculation we require to show. You know that a square, a into a is a square by root of a square plus b square plus this is minus b into b is b square by under root of a square plus b square by this is a square by under root of a square plus b square plus b square by under root of a square plus b square. So if you go for the LCM, it is easy. First numerator will become a square minus b square by under root of a square plus b square, and the denominator is a square plus b square by under root of a square plus b square. These two will be cancelled. Then answer is a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So this is required to prove this value is equals to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So these type of questions in trigonometric ratios you will find. So just I explained just the 5 questions regarding different type of patterns, but every student should know what are the trigonometric ratios in the right angle triangle. So these formulas you should by heart or you should know. Then only it is easy to solve this trigonometric ratios. But these type of questions will require some algebraic knowledge also while solving or while simplifying. So otherwise you will get the wrong answers. But in every exam you will get 2-3 marks from the trigonometric ratios, both CBSE and state students. You need to concentrate on the trigonometric ratios questions. Thank you.